Micah had to go. Alright, we are on our way to a pumpkin patch and we are getting gas and a car wash.
Thank you.
And then we have to get some coffee because it's gonna be a long night.
Yes.
Got it. My good.
Micah, dude! Oh! Yay! Going in that drive-through next.
Starbucks.
Okay. I asked for a grande.
So we're going to the pumpkin patch to get pumpkins, and it's our first time, the kids' first time. Well, not my first time. I've been when I was a kid. Mike's first time, right? So we would like to pick up some pumpkins and take the seeds and cook them, season them. Are you gonna help with that?
I don't even know the first part about extracting seeds from a pumpkin.
You know,
I'd rather just go to a gas station and go buy some pumpkin seeds, but you guys want to do all the dirty work.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
No.
Is making it yourself. Well, we'll make it and you can eat it. How's that? Do you like pumpkin seeds?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like regular seeds better.
And what are regular seeds? There's so many different seeds.
Sunflower seeds?
How is that the regular seed?
Great, we just got a car wash and we're going in a dirt parking lot. Guys ready?
Yep.
Thanks, Micah, dude.
I'll let you know if you're gonna run into anybody.
You're running into a car.
I need a little spotter. Hey!
Look at Micah. Look at. Oh, missed it.
Well, we're not very experienced at this, but we're looking for a good pumpkin to get. And a lot of them seem to be kind of rotten.
Ew! Do it!
I don't know if it's safe to eat the seeds.
Like, look at this.
Yeah.
It's like a raisin.
Mama, there's so much seeds in it.
And I have no idea what that
my
stuff
God.
is.
Daddy, look how much seeds there are.
Oh, there we go.
There we
Let
go.
me see.
There's some seeds in
They're
there.
already dried out for us.
Don't eat it, man.
No, don't eat it.
That's Jirah's.
Let me put you guys
And Mike, are we? How many are we getting?
I'll help you.
Choo choo. So we found our pumpkins. I think we're gonna get 2. Not sure.
There goes Micah.
But Savannah is gonna make her little pumpkin seeds with the kids.
I'm gonna dry them out. I'm not gonna make pumpkin seeds.
There goes my child. I gotta go get him.
We have to go buy our pumpkins and then we will be done.
Back to our pumpkins.
So Mike has been carrying his camera stuff this whole time, and his back has sweat the shape of his backpack.
So this is the back side of my TV. The motherboard was over there. I have it downstairs. And I'm gonna do something I've never done before. Put the motherboard in the oven, because it's possible that some of the solder isn't connected on the back. This is not trickery of any kind. This is me seriously putting a motherboard inside of an oven at 375 degrees. I just hope no chemicals or anything are gonna melt onto the pan. If that does happen, then I'll have to get her a new pan. But that's cheaper than spending $180 on getting a new motherboard. Ready to put this on. Moment of truth. Oh my word, it worked! Dude, do it.
Me and Daddy are.
Come on. I still can't believe our TV works.
We're gonna soak it in water.